Hello, welcome to the video for this listing. It's a Zhiyun Crane 3 lab kit. It doesn't come with this tripod, that's just to mount it on. Box down there with various cables and containers. So it's powered by three 18650 batteries, which are these, and you get one spare, but they charge with a recharging USB device, which I haven't got handy at the moment, but I shall endeavour to put a picture up of it. The gimbal is quite interesting because it comes with a handle off the side, which is unlike most of the other designs, and you can use it with briefcase mode and sort of underslung mode. We've got wide angle telephoto, rotating dial there, a little screen, aperture, TV setting, and go, record, rotating dial with a button in the middle, little menu system to run through, like so. The actual gimbal part is really quite well built. The handle is a little less on the quality side. It does have a really nice wheel there, which actually is very tactile, feels really nice. That's your sleep button and on button, and then we've got the 3-axis stabilization, so pan motor, roll motor, tilt motor, the switches for locking, so it will lock in its position, which is nice for leaving it on the tripod if you want to leave your camera on. An HDMI transmitter, camera control system, 8-volt output, HDMI in, camera control, a couple more ones for the focus ring and for the zoom ring, and the adjustments for balancing the gimbal. A really nice plate as well, which is great for mounting your camera on. Obviously the camera doesn't come included, so it does work fine. Let's just move the pan motor there like so, and I can't remember, there's a trigger on the front as well. Now you can actually use these with an application. Let's just fire this up a moment. So we connect to the app, and then you can beam the HDMI from your camera, and there are certain cameras this works with, Panasonic, Sony and Canon. But I think you can work them with nearly everything that's got pretty much a decent amount of outputs, like remote and USB. So we've got the app on here. Let's show you how it works. Oh, if I can. Oh, that's right, it's asking for the Wi-Fi. There's a straightforward passcode, 12345678, default password. Oh, gone back. But yeah, once it's joined to the Wi-Fi, you can then operate a virtual joystick in all angles, so that all works all right. Cables, there are focus ring, usual. There, the couple of HDMI options, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cables there, 1, 3, 4, 5. I think there might be one missing, but there's so many options. It says it's the 5th version revised. That's the spare battery, couple of silica gels, nice mounting plate, phone holder. That's well made. All of it's actually pretty well made, this. All aluminium. If you buy these bits on their own, they'll cost you quite a bit of money. A bolster plate, a lens support with the all the clamps, the M4 bolts, 2 focus rings, focus motors connect into it. Now I sort of use this with a bridge camera, so I've never had any reason to operate those, because you can control all those things from your app, and that's the case. It's just one of these sort of polystyrene cases. It's quite big, and it does the job well. And a little sort of holder for all your bits there. Okay, so if I just turn my camera on, you must make sure that you balance a gimbal properly. This one's just out slightly at the moment, but anyway, follow me modes, and oh, there is a little tripod missing. That's off the bottom, so you can see it doing its thing. If I put it into actually just take it out of the menu. They're pretty complex things to use, actually, to be fair, but once you've got the hang of them, they do bring a lot of fun to your shooting. Nice and silent. And you can set the endpoints up and all the rest of it. Well, I hope that gives some explanation towards what it does. You can adjust the strength of the motors, low, medium and high. If you've got a heavier camera, do check out the spec and the weight of your camera. It's all about distribution, really. If you've got a big, reasonable heavy lump of a camera with no extension on the lens, obviously centre of gravity is a lot more central. If it extends out and you've got a heavy bit of glass on the front, you're going to struggle with the tilt axis. It won't like it because there's a lot more mechanical advantage in that. Anyway, there's a lot of waffle, but it works fine, and if you mount it on a tripod with a fluid head, you get quite a bit more flexibility. But as I say, it's missing the tripod that you stand it on for desktop use, but you can just buy any 1/4 inch solid little desktop tripod that'll do the job. But it's quite a big bulky thing. If you look at it in comparison with my SC2, it's a fair bit smaller, but one's got to go, and I think this one's the one. Thanks very much. Bye bye.